Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please to like, share and subscribe. Here in this video, I'm gonna show you how can a dentist change your smile. This is a video which is very helpful to you. Smiles can be changed with many different procedures such as dental crowns, composite, veneers, implants, orthodontic treatments. In this video, I'm going to change it by a crown by giving this patient a dental crown. In this video, we are going to show you how a dentist can change your smile. First, we'll be doing a crown cutting. This patient has preferred PFM crown, that is metal fused to porcelain. In this, we'll be doing a metal trial. Here, scaling is done. So in this video, I'm going to do a root canal followed with a dental bridge, taking X-ray to determine the working length. Obturating the canal using katta parcha. Drawing the canal using paper point. Mixing of diluting cement for crown fixation. Removal of all excessive diluting cement. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. To get more such informative videos, please hit the bell icon to get the latest update. This is how a dentist can change your smile. Thank you.